This is Daily Reflections on Divine Mercy from My Catholic Life. Today's reflection is entitled Attachments. There are many things in life we can become attached to. Sometimes we can even become attached to things that are good. Most often, what we become attached to is our own stubborn will. We want what we want when we want it. One key to authentic holiness is to strive to be detached from everything but God and His holy will. This requires much letting go in our lives and much surrender. What is it that you are attached to? What comes to mind first? What is it that you would not want to let go of? Even attachment to good things in life is a way of trusting more in creatures than in God. And in fact, the only way to authentically love another, be it God, family, friends, or anyone else, is to detach from your selfish attachments so that the love of God can flood you and love others through you with His pure and perfect love. Let us pray. Lord, help me to let go of all that is not of you. Help me, especially, to see my sin and to surrender it over to you. Help me to detach even from family in a holy way so that I am free to love them with your heart. May you, my Lord, be my one goal and love, and in that love may I discover how to love everyone with your heart. Jesus, I trust in you.